The following message is transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the United States government. There is an ongoing invasion occurring in the Gulf Coast of the United States. At this time, several amphibious landing forces and paratroopers from an unknown country have been spotted in several cities across the Gulf Coast, attacking all forms of infrastructure and are also attacking power grids across the affected cities. These cities include New Orleans, Louisiana, Gulfport, Mississippi, Mobile, Alabama, Brownsville, Texas, Corpus Christi, Texas, Pensacola, Florida, Tampa, Florida, and Miami, Florida. The number of casualties are currently unknown at this time, and many evacuation efforts are currently impeded due to the sudden arrival of the invaders. To those currently receiving this message, follow these given instructions. Attempt to evacuate the affected cities to the best of your ability. If you are unable to evacuate, please attempt to barricade yourself inside of your residence and be prepared to defend yourself at a moment's notice. The United States Armed Forces are currently arriving to the affected locations in order to combat the invaders. Martial law will soon be implemented throughout the Gulf Coast within the coming hours. Please continue to remain tuned in for more information on this ongoing situation.